In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the floor mats for the Ford Fusion 2013 to 2016. Driver side floor mat, passenger side floor mat, rear floor mats. Open the driver side door, align and install the floor mat. Just lay it flat. There are two retaining clips. Simply press them into place. Install the passenger side floor mat the same way. Place it and lay it flat. Install the rear floor mats the same way. Align them and lay them flat. All floor mats are now installed.